In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable dark mode in n8n. If you spend a lot of time building workflows, switching to a darker interface can reduce eye strain, improve focus, and make the canvas and nodes easier to read in low-light environments. Let's walk through it together so you can make the change quickly and confidently. First, open your n8n workspace in your browser and sign in if you're not already. You'll land on the Home or Workflows area. Everything we're about to change is a personal preference, so it will only affect how n8n looks for your account. Next, look for the Settings area. Depending on your screen size, you'll typically find a gear icon or a settings link in the sidebar. Go ahead and click Settings. This is where n8n groups all of your account and workspace options. Inside Settings, choose the Personal section. This is important because theme and appearance live under your personal preferences. Changing things here means your choice follows you across sessions and devices when you sign in with the same account. Now, scroll down until you reach the Theme controls. This area may be labeled Theme or Appearance, and it's usually grouped with other interface options. If you're on a smaller display, keep scrolling. Some sections are collapsed below the fold. A quick tip: if you don't immediately see it, use your browser's Find feature and search for the word Theme to jump right to the section. Once you see the available themes, select Dark. As soon as you choose it, you'll typically get a live preview of the darker palette, including the editor canvas, panels, and menus. To make the change stick, click Save or Save Changes. That confirmation step ensures your preference is stored with your profile, so the dark theme loads the next time you sign in, even from a different computer. Take a moment to scan the interface and confirm everything looks comfortable. The Node Inspector, execution logs, and sidebar should now use a dark background with higher contrast text. If something doesn't look right, you can always switch back to light and save again. And if you don't see theme options at all, your workspace may be on an older version or using restricted settings. In that case, updating n8n or checking with an administrator usually resolves it. That's it. You've enabled dark mode in n8n, making your automation workspace easier on the eyes and ready for long build sessions.